The heading component creates headings for your web pages, helping you structure your content and guide visitors through your website. Let's see how it works. Here's an example of a heading on a page. Headings aren't just larger text, they're important for both design and search engines. Headings are marked with special code behind the scenes. Search engines give more weight to words inside headings than to normal text. But remember, balance matters. If all text is a heading, or none of it is, search engines will treat the page the same way. Now, let's see how to add it. To add a heading, click Add. Then select Heading from the Components list. The text in a heading component can be edited just like a normal text component. Above each heading, you'll see the heading bar. Click this bar to open the Heading Settings window. In the Settings window, you can choose the heading level. H1 for the main heading of the page, H2 for subheadings, H3 and beyond for further sections. When you change the heading level, the font style will also change. For example, H1 is larger and bolder than H2. But don't worry, you can always adjust the style later if you wish. Click OK to apply your changes, or cancel to go back without saving. To get the best results for both visitors and search engines, use only one H1 heading per page. This should be your main title. Use heading levels in order, moving from H2 to H3, and so on. Keep headings short, clear, and descriptive. Once you're happy with your heading, remember to click Save in the toolbar so your changes are live on your site. And that's it. With the heading component, you can create clear, structured headings that not only improve your site's design, but also make your content easier for visitors and search engines to understand.